Hey, what's up? It's Bill Seeds with Seeds of Nature Water Gardens, and today I am out in Estacada, Oregon. As you can see, it's a beautiful, beautiful winter day, and I am going to be starting a 20 by 14 pond project with a 10-foot stream. So I'm going to turn this around and show you what we got going on here. All right, well, this is the view from the driveway. The house is directly behind us, a little sweep there. And just right here, this is where the pond's gonna be. As you can see, there's an existing patio. This patio is going to be the main, I guess you could say, focal point where they're gonna enjoy the pond from. So, I'm not sure if you guys can see these flags. The flags are irrigation, we're gonna have to watch that. But right in here, we are going to build the pond directly up against that patio, and then alongside the patio up there, that's where that bio falls. As you can see, that's the big boy, the 6,000. The 6,000 is going to be feeding along this stretch of grass that we're going to rip out and directly into the pond. It's going to be approximately 20 by 14. Try to make it as regular as possible. And this one's really cool because we got all kinds of rock from their property that we're going to use for accents and to dress this to make it look really old. All right, we got the liner and the underlayment in. So you can see that. Look how nice and pretty that is, all the shelves. So the reason we use two sets of underlayment is because we want to increase the load bearing capacity of the liner. So that underlayment, it does a couple things. Number one, it allows gas and water to escape underneath the liner because the liner is an impermeable membrane, right? It doesn't allow water to get out, otherwise it won't work very well. But it traps gas too. So we don't want that to happen. The underlayment also protects from gravel and sticks and stuff, maybe stuff we didn't catch right when we were digging out the shelves and stuff. So having that there protects the liner, but then now we're putting liner over top of, or underlayment, I'm sorry, over top of the liner because we also want to increase more load bearing capacity. Just like when we build our pondless basins, we put two sets of underlayment, we sandwich that liner. It's really cheap insurance, it takes almost no time, and it's going to save me and possible homeowners a lot of headache in the future. So now we're going to go get some rock and we're going to actually start to frame this this pond out. Got some rocks in the waterfall. I'll shoot you some photos. We got big boy waterfall. I know you can't see him. You see my big head, and then those rocks look super tiny. So we got basically two waterfalls built, along with a little bit of the stream bed. Still obviously need to hook up the biofalls. But I'm really happy with the progress we made today, even despite all the rain and hail we had to escape. So yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. All right, we are back. So we already got up and running this morning. We got some waterfall rocks set right over there. Got a little bit of the stream built. We're just gonna keep throwing some rocks into the stream and getting all buttoned up so that we can start foaming it and actually get this guy filled up and running. All right, we got a lot done. Tried to film some of it, but kind of just got caught up in the moment and forgot. But I'll show you. We got the large table rock in. Cool rock. We also got the rest of the stream rocked in. Some dirt moved so that we can slope away from the pond so that water doesn't get in. Started to do a little bit of edge work. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the progress. We're just cleaning up right now, getting ready to go because we're losing daylight, and it's pretty happy with the progress. So we'll be back. Hey, we're back. Yeah, I haven't filmed the past 2 days because I've been by myself and it's been just raining and hailing and miserable weather, so I just kind of wanted to bust some stuff out real quick. But I got a lot done. So I got the waterfall all built, all edged. I got the entire pond edged. Look at that, filling it up right now. And now I'm working on the bog garden that's going to be below the pond. It's basically just going to have runoff going into it. The client wants to plant some carnivorous plants, kind of whatever they want, you know, beautify the area. It's a little rough shot there. You can't really see it. Got this nice retaining wall here with this big rock. Client loves that rock. Has a little inlet in it, and you can actually, it holds a little bit of water, so she really loves that. But look at that profile. Looks great, huh? All right, I'm gonna get back to work. I'll show you when we run this thing what it looks like then.